Hey everyone, so sorry I ran out of time earlier to make it up for you. This is Spanky and he's going to help me get through the rest of this. So summary of cellular respiration, we start with glycolysis out in the cytoplasm of the cell. We then move into the Krebs cycle, which is where we're going to be producing carbon dioxide. Then we go into the electron transport chain. This is where oxygen gets used up, and in the end we end up creating 38 ATP. Now unfortunately we are not perfect. Sometimes we don't get as efficient as we need to be, so we often only make like 34 or 36 ATP, but on the rare occasion when everything does go according to plan, we'll get 38 ATP total. So if there is no oxygen, we are going to go through fermentation. So this is when you are exercising and your lungs are not able to keep up with the demand that your muscles need. And so instead of getting all of that oxygen to the body, we still need to work, so we go through fermentation. This creates lactic acid, so lactic acid gets fermented in our muscles. But like I said earlier, beer and wine do get made via fermentation, but they make ethanol instead of lactic acid. So glycolysis occurs over in the cytoplasm, the pyruvates are then converted into lactic acid, and we end up with NADH plus as an energy source. We do not make any more ATP, which is why fermentation is not as efficient and not as great, but it is what we can do in a pinch if we really need to. That is it for today with these notes. So what I'm going to have you guys do next, you need to work on this POGL. You need to work on it, well, every single person needs to have this done, but you are welcome to work on it either A, on your own, or B, as a group. These pictures are going to be so useful. Notice glucose is a hexagon and it's got 6 carbons. That's pretty nice and neat. Every time we look at one of these, so this is the entire cell here, every time we have a picture, we zoom in. So now we have the entire mitochondria here. And then we're going to zoom in yet again even more, and this is the mitochondrial membrane. We looked at how the mitochondria is a membrane-bound organelle. Fill these out. When you're finished, you can look at some of the extension questions like anaerobic respiration. That's going to be looking more at fermentation. But I do need these by the end of class. Allow the sub to collect those for me. And good luck. If you guys have any questions, please message me on Schoology. I hope your day goes well, and I hope that these videos help you out. Bye!